All right, you gonna be in trouble. I just told you I'm pregnant. You going to get the car. That's a big ass lawsuit.
Let's go.
You gonna throw a pregnant woman on the car. You can take it out.
Where's the other one? Ma'am, come with me. Come with me. Where's the other one you're with?
Officer stops suspect outside, begins inquiry. Suspect refuses bag search, claims she did nothing.
That lady was watching
asking
her.
you,
I didn't put nothing in my bag. I've been sitting here waiting for roadside assistance because I locked my key in my car.
Okay, so if I look in your bag,
you're not
there's
looking
nothing
in my
in there.
bag. Nobody touching my bag. Nobody's accusing me of nothing. That lady, you can ask her right there. She been walking around seeing. I didn't touch nothing, bro. Nobody's touching shit.
Okay, well listen.
Touching my bag.
Listen.
Can't nobody accuse me of touching
Stop
nothing.
yelling.
No,
There's
I'm not
only
stop
one
yelling.
side of the story,
okay,
right?
well, go.
So all you have to do is say. All you have to do is say no.
Nobody's checking my bag. Simple.
Okay,
That's
so
it,
can
that's
I have
all.
ID?
I'm aggravated. No, you're
Then
not
let me
getting
look at your
my
ID.
ID. I'm not answering no questions.
So you're not gonna.
You're not giving. No, you're not touching my ID.
Okay.
Relax, man.
No, I'm aggravated. I'm waiting for to get the key out of my car. I'm just walking around to waste time until roadside assistance to come and get my key out of my car.
Where's your car?
I'm not answering no questions. Why the you keep asking?
Officer approaches second woman, both deny knowing each other.
You can come outside so we could talk. Is this your friend or? All right. We're just trying to calm her down. She's pretty upset. So.
Like I said, I'm not.
Okay, well,
I only got one side. That's why I came out.
I already told you. I'm not answering no questions.
This is why I wanted you to come outside and have a conversation with me.
I'm not answering no questions.
All right, then don't.
Okay. All right. So, are you guys related or just friends or?
Do you know each other?
Bro, I told you I came here by myself. Why
I'm
you
not
keep
talking
asking
to
me
you.
questions? Stop
I'm not
asking
talking
me
to you.
questions.
Do you know her?
Well,
No?
you just told me you did inside, so you're lying. Do you have your ID on you?
No.
You don't have ID on you?
She's not showing no ID.
Well, it's gonna be an issue if that's the case.
I ain't showing shit.
So you can come back to headquarters and I'll fingerprint you and find out
I'm
who you
not
are.
going nowhere.
Okay.
You can bring
Alright,
up
so-
whatever you want.
alright, so
but
we're-
that don't mean
alright,
nobody
everyone-
ain't gonna pop
so
up
we're-
'cause they not even in the system.
So we're investigating. They're alleging that there's a possible shoplifting. So we have the right to detain you guys. You guys are detained right now, so you're not free to leave. You are absolutely detained, and we need to figure out what's going on. And if we need to ID you guys, we're going to ID you. And if you refuse to provide your information, you'll be placed under arrest for obstruction.
Hey, can you stay over here for me?
Bro, I'm not staying no where,
You
bro.
are.
What you talking about,
You
bro?
are. You are. You can get mad. I'm gonna be respectful to you. You can get mad all you want. But listen, if you keep walking away, I'm gonna put you in cuffs in the car.
Bro, matter of fact, bro, I'm about to call my Uncle Drew at state.
Go
He
ahead.
about to come here. I don't know
Go
what the
ahead.
fuck you talking about. You got me up, bro.
Go ahead.
What's wrong with you?
Go ahead.
Better get the out of my face with all that stupid shit.
So we're not being aggressive. She's being aggressive. You're being
Yeah,
cooperative.
That's how she is. She got an attitude problem.
Okay, so if you don't have ID, we need to get your information, okay?
What are they saying?
What?
I think they said they're doing like a work order on
I'm just attaching it. That's all.
Suspect starts yelling, refuses all cooperation. Officer
if you don't,
initiates
you'll be
arrest,
placed under arrest for
suspect
obstruction,
yells,
so that's your
resists.
So you're upset. I understand that.
I don't care.
So I need your information. If you have ID, give it to me.
I don't have ID or not getting my ID. For the
Alright,
fifth
so
time.
then-
My answer's still the same
so
to
then-
all three of y'all.
So then
What is wrong with you?
I need your name and date of birth. And if you don't provide it, then you're gonna be placed under arrest. So please provide it. Are you gonna provide your information or no? Miss? I take that as a no. Okay, well, you're under arrest now for obstruction.
Wait till my mom come, bro. I'm not doing all that.
No, that's not how this works. You
Don't
don't.
touch me,
you don't-
bro. Do not
you
touch
don't-
me. Do not touch me, bro. Do not touch me.
Just give him
Do
my
not
name,
touch me. I'm
'cause
telling you
nobody
now.
wants
You touch
to
me, you
jail.
gonna be mad, bro. You touch me, you gonna be mad, bro.
It don't matter. It's a
You
minor
gonna touch
anyway,
me.
so you
You
can't do
don't touch
that.
me.
So-
Well, we don't know
How do we
that.
know
So,
that? How do we
so
know that?
Well, I'm telling you.
I don't have to until she provides it.
So-
It don't matter. You
convince
can't
her-
touch no minor. So
Convince
let me
her
start
to.
recording. But
That's
you can't
fine.
touch a minor.
So
Okay.
We're sure that they're okay.
they showed they had a work order in their hand, but we have the plate.
Listen, I'm gonna tell you this. We're not looking to do this. This is not the ideal way to do this. Simply provide us with your name and date of birth.
I'm trying to switch it up now because I got you recorded. I just said
Yeah, I don't
We're
care.
not
It's been the
switching
same the whole time. You have to give us your
Coming
information.
over here aggressive as hell with them cuffs out until I said you can't touch a minor. So
How do we
don't
know
try to
she's a
back it up
minor?
Because I'm putting on, because I got you recorded. Don't
You
try
can
to
record
change
all
the
you want. Look,
subject.
I got a body cam on right now too.
Yeah.
The whole thing's
That don't
recorded.
mean nothing. Y'all can either wipe that a
Oh
whole
my
bunch of
God.
dirty cops. I don't believe that.
Alright,
I
you're
don't body cam shit.
Well, she's
It's a lot
gonna
of dirty
give us her
cops.
name, or
It's a lot of dirty cops.
you
I don't
give us
trust
her
no
name or
cop.
no?
Physical altercation shouting continues.
Me. I'm
Yo.
not-
Give a name
bro,
and
do not
date of
touch
birth.
me. Do
You
not
cannot
touch
put
bro,
your hands
do
on
not
the minor.
touch me, bro.
You
I'm
cannot
dead
touch
serious,
the
bro.
minor.
Get off of me. I'm not.
can't touch
Bro,
the
I'm
minor.
telling
You
you.
can't touch the
Bro, do
minor.
not touch me, bro.
Touch the minor.
Bro, what the?
Yo,
Bro,
put your
do
hands
not
on me.
touch me, bro.
Put your hands
Do
on
not touch me, bro. Do not touch me, bro. Do not touch me, bro. Bro, do not touch me, bro. Do not touch me. You corny as hell, bro.
You got that one?
Man, stop touching me.
Let me get this off.
Bro, stop touching me, bro. Yo, y'all funny as hell, bro. Y'all is funny.
Let go of your
No,
bag.
I'm not. You ain't about to
Let go of your bag.
No, ask me nicely.
Let go of
Why
your
you
bag.
being so aggressive?
Let go of your bag.
Ask me
Let
nicely.
go of your bag.
Ask me nicely, now
Let
give
go
it
of
to
your
you.
bag.
No, you're not about to be aggressive with me.
Let
I'm
go
a
of your
girl.
bag.
No, you ain't about to be aggressive with me. You gonna be mad when you get this lawsuit. You throwing me on the car and I told you I'm pregnant. Okay. All right, you gonna be in trouble. I just told you I'm pregnant. You throwing me against the car.
Suspect screams she's pregnant. Officer presses control.
You can't do that. You can't throw a pregnant woman against the car. I told you I was pregnant. You still threw me against the car. So you gonna be mad. Can't do that.
Do you have any weapons on you?
No. No, we don't got no weapons. But I like with a weapon.
I don't know. That's why I'm asking.
No, I ain't got no weapon. If I did, I would use it.
Okay. Put your
You
hands
throwing me against the car.
behind your back.
Tell you
You're not
throwing
going to
me-
make comments like that. You're not going to make comments like that. Put your hands behind your back. Okay, we're going to go against my car now. We're going to go against my car
I got
now.
all mine recorded, and I told you I was pregnant. Bitch, I'm calling my lawyer. You going down? I own this town shit.
I got it.
Damn, what you doing all this because I'm black? I just told you.
Stop moving your arms.
No, you won't be victory. If I have
Give me
a miscarriage, I'm taking
your-
your scalp.
Well, then relax.
I'm taking it. So, that's just exactly what's going to happen. I'm taking that shit. Don't somebody do a car.
495.
Relax.
72.
Relax your hands.
If
Two
I
in
was
custody.
right,
I don't
you
want to
wouldn't
hurt
do
your wrist. Relax your hands.
that. No, you don't want to hurt my fucking baby. If you didn't say shit about that.
Relax.
Bro, get off my jacket, bitch. I don't need you to hold me.
Send us a
Stop
Talking
pulling.
about.
Stop
Cuffs
pulling.
already on me. Yo, if you don't let me go, I promise you, I'll spit
Go
on
ahead.
you.
Go ahead.
Bro, let me go, bro.
Stop pulling and I'll let go of you.
Let me go. I've been standing
That's
here,
not how
bitch.
this works.
You talk, I don't know what the wrong with y'all cops. Bitch, y'all work for us.
You can give me this now.
No, you not touching my bag, bro. Yo.
Let go of it. Let go.
CC! Bro! Bro, come get him, bro! Come get him, bro! Come get him, bro!
You guys got her? Yeah, she's help for you over there.
Come get him, bro.
I got it. I got it.
Go.
Bro, why the yo, this man is acting crazy, bro.
You gotta let go of
bro,
this first.
let go of my bag, bro. This is my shit. Anything that's in my bag, it will get the out, bro.
Let go of it, please.
Come on. Come on.
Bro, let go of my bag, bro.
You're done.
Let go. I'm not done. You talking about?
Let go of the bag.
Bro, get the off, bro. You bitch, bro. You a bitch. You a fucking bitch. Off.
Close the move your
Off. Bro, get the off.
I damn too. That motherfucking body cam don't mean shit. A whole lot of dirty cops. I don't trust no
Relax, it's alright.
Oh, y'all dirty.
Oh, big surprise.
After Sal, she ain't not
Big surprise.
Shit, Sal.
Big
You
surprise.
ain't even gonna take a rent till she wanna give you her name. How you gonna get mad 'cause she ain't
Big
wanna give you her name?
surprise.
Sal? You can't get mad 'cause she ain't wanna give you her name.
Yeah, good. Yeah, no problem.
You got mad 'cause of that.
Okay.
That's why you got mad. Don't you can't handle no fucking minor. That's how you handle women. Who raised you?
All right.
You don't do that.
Yeah, okay.
I don't care. I wasn't doing nothing but recording. That's what I was doing, recording. Get out my code.
Stop.
Get out my code. Get down right. Damn, what the you about to hurt? If you hurt my baby, you gonna be in a lot of trouble. Yeah, okay then. So you better be. Yeah, I just told y'all that I'm not gonna keep saying it. You hurt my baby is on. Lawsuit.
Let me the out of here, bro.
You're gonna end up hurting yourself. Just
Bro, let me the
out the lot and see if there's like a car sitting around or something.
She's making comments about possibly having a weapon, so I want to get her searched. That's why she got.
She hasn't been searched, like searched.
Okay.
So.
I asked her if she had anything on her.
Boo! Yeah. She's out of her cup.
She's out of her cup.
Yeah. What do you want to do?
Relax. We don't know how much.
You're not relaxing shit, bro. Get me the out of here,
Slipped out of
bro.
her cuffs.
She's gotta be put down.
Screaming about miscarriage, legal retaliation.
Bro!
Stop. Ma'am, just stop.
Bro,
relax.
get me out!
Ma'am, just relax. Can you please relax?
Bro, you break my wrist on, bro. You won't hate me. I swear to
Ma'am,
God,
can you
bro.
just relax, please?
Yo, y'all is terrible.
Can you
Y'all is
relax, ma'am?
terrible.
Alright. How do you double lock this guy?
Just push the
Okay. Nope.
Ma'am, stop. Can you please stop?
Bro, I don't give a bitch. Shut up with your ugly ass. Broken bitch.
What are we trying? Someone's got to get on the other side. What are we trying to do? We're trying to get. Ma'am,
Bro,
can you please
let me get the out. I don't want to be in this car.
Can you please sit in the car, ma'am? Ma'am, let go of the car.
Yo, you ripping my
Okay, let go. Can you please let go of the car? Ma'am, can you please let go of the car?
Bro, what's wrong with
Can you please let go of the car?
Bro.
Woman yells that men shouldn't restrain female suspects.
Listen, the more you kick, the more charges you're gonna get.
I
Do
don't
you
give a
understand? When you damage the car, you're gonna be charged. Do you understand? Do you understand? Okay.
Alright.
If it was somebody white, y'all wouldn't need to be doing all this. What are you looking at, trailer trash? Ain't nothing inside my coat. Get out my coat.
Hey, check
Why
the-
you holding my? Ain't nothing in my coat
Just
but a
as a
mask. Get out my coat. Ask me, can you go inside my coat? I'm a girl and y'all men. Y'all ain't even supposed to be. Y'all ain't supposed to be frisking me. We're a woman.
Oh, okay.
I know my rights.
Yeah.
We're a woman.
That's a wrong right.
Yeah, we're a woman, cop that. Cause you ain't supposed to touch me. No, I can refuse it because I'm a woman. You ain't supposed to touch me. You a f***ing guy. Ain't nothing in here but a. You better not touch my stomach.
Let's get her in a car. Nick, get her. Where's your car at?
We're over here on the left.
This one.
Yeah, as I walk. Get off from me. Why you all so well? Get the f off my coat. You over here, you ain't even supposed to be frisking me, bitch. That's for a woman. Why you ain't call a woman? Yes, you did. You put gloves on and you touch me. You ain't supposed to touch no female. Fuck you. One of y'all there got to put black gloves on and touch me.
I'll get it.
Jeez.
You ain't supposed to sit there and touch no fucking woman. You supposed to call a f***ing lady cop. I know the f I'm talking about. No, I'm not, man. I'm
Yeah.
You ain't supposed to touch me. This ain't, you ain't no black fucking lady.
You're good, man.
So I ain't supposed to do none of this. Not sitting back. No, I'm not. I'm sitting up. Well, hey, you ain't stronger than me.
No. So the older woman that they have in custody is definitely one that's been hitting all over.
Okay.
So I'm gonna get this stuff in here and then get them back out of here. What's these people for?
They're Five Below. I don't know.
Alright, what do we got now?
All right, I'm gonna bring this stuff in to get it returned. Obviously, we're gonna come back. Yeah, if you want to just check the area for a car. Nothing.
Are you good? Back?
Yeah, we're good. I'm gonna return it and get totals. I'm just taking it so we know which bag was which.
Okay. Pink one was the younger one. Hold on, watch your back there.
Well, the actual pink bag was the older female. The pink
Color, okay? Over there.
Hey Lou, hold on one sec.
One claimed pregnancy. One assaulted an officer. Neither cooperated. The legal aftermath was as loud as their arrests.